Okay, Unit 4, Summative, questions 14 to 18. All right, a regular computer game is $49.95. Which of the following sale prices? Sale prices, so that means like discount, or which one is gonna, or less, or decrease. Which of these is gonna have the lowest price for the computer game? So what we need to find out is which one is gonna be the cheapest. So if this is $49.95 and it's $8 less, I'm just gonna subtract 8 from that answer, and I get $41.95. So A costs $41.95. 1/4 of a reduction is going to be $49.95 times 1/4. So 1/4 is the same as 25%. So it's 25% less. So I'm going to multiply by 0.75 in this case because it's 100% minus 25%. And I've got a calculator here, so I'm just going to do it quick. 49.95 times 0.75 equals, this one equals $37.46. 85% of the regular price. This one I know is not going to be the cheapest because I'm going to multiply by 0.85 in this case. 85% of the regular price. So 49.95 times 0.85 equals, this equals $42.46. And 20% off the regular price would be the original cost times 0.8 in this case, because 100% minus 20% is that. So $49.95 times 0.8 equals $39.96. So which one is the cheapest? It's this one, $37.46. The chart shows basketball shots attempted and made by 4 players on the team. Which of the following lists the players in order from highest to lowest percent of shots that they made? Okay, so we want to know who makes the highest percentage of shots. So starting with Kenzo, Kenzo shoots 6 times and makes 10. He shoots 6 times and makes 10. As a percentage, this is 60%, 6/10. This is Kenzo. Chris, he shoots 7 times and makes 12. So I'm just going to divide 7 divided by 12, and that equals, it equals 0.58, which as a percentage is 58%. So this is Chris. Kyle, do right here. Kyle shoots 4 and makes 5. Kyle shoots 4 and makes 5. As a decimal, it's 0.8, and as a percentage, that's 80%. You just divide 4 divided by 5. So far Kyle's winning. And finally, Ramon, he shoots 3 times and makes 12. It's the same as 1/4, so I know that that's going to be 25%. So Kyle makes the most amount of shots. He hits he makes a shot 80% of the time, which means it cannot be B and it cannot be C. And next I want to know, is it Kenzo or Chris? Who makes more? Well, Chris makes 58% and Kenzo makes 60%. Therefore, it has to be A. Normally, a penguin couple produces 2 eggs every year. Usually the chick from the larger of the 2 eggs is the only one that survives. With rockhopper penguins, the first egg approximately weighs 78 grams, and the second one weighs 110 grams. approximately how many percent is the second egg heavier than the first? So one thing to note is in this question, there's a lot of information that you do not need. I don't really need to think about most of this information. What I know is one egg is 78 and one egg is 110. How many percent is the second egg heavier than the first? So what I want to know is, out of 78, what percent is this increase? So 110 minus 78 will tell me that there's a difference of what? 32 grams. So the second egg is 32 grams heavier, which means I want to know what 32 is of my original. So 32 divided by 78 is approximately 0.41, which as a percentage is 41%. Question 17, on one bicycle trip, Helen rode 4 kilometers in the first 10 minutes and then 2 kilometers in the next 5. So Helen rode 4 kilometers in 10 minutes. And the other person, and then she rode 2 more kilometers in 5 minutes. So what I want to find out is this the same speed? Does she change speed over that time? Couple of ways to think about it. One way, I want you to notice your 2 fractions here, 4/10 and 2/5. 4/10 is the same as 2/5. Divide by 2, divide by 2. These are equivalent fractions. So right off the bat, I know that her speed is exactly the same between the two because the ratio is the same. If you wanted to, you could do 4 divided by 10 and 2 divided by 5 and just see if they're the same numbers, which they're both going to be 0.4. And because they're both the same numbers, the speed was the same. All right, last question. Kieran's mother gets a restaurant bill for $25. So she's paying, the bill is $25. She has a coupon for 15% off. So first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to find out how much she's paying with 15% off. Now, if the original cost of the bill is 100% and she's getting rid of 15%, she's now paying 85% of the original. So grab your calculator, 25 times 0.85 equals $21.25. So that's what it costs after the discount. Then she adds 20% as a tip. So my second step is I'm going to take the discounted price and now I want to add 20%. So I'm going to multiply by 1 plus my 20% increase, which is 1.2. Grab your calculator, 21.25 times 1.2 equals 25.5, which is the same as 25.50, just in case that's confusing, but 25 and 5/10 is the same as 25 and 50 hundredths. So your answer is B.